So the girls has been going off about okra water. So what am I going to do? We're going to make us some okra water. Ooh, they already slimy and wet. Okay. Honey, a detox is a detox. We're gonna see what it do. I'm not a lover of okra just naturally cooked, but I'll try any vegetable as long as it's good for you. Oh, it's already slimy. I'm gonna cut a couple more, but I feel like I can chop them up and put some in the freezer so I can use for next time. Oh, listen, it should not be this. Wow, okay. And they say this is good for, now they say that this is good for the kitty, but it's also very hydrating, so. Did y'all see that? It's all stringy and gooey. I ain't gonna say what I'm thinking, but my gears is going. Yeah. You do taste it. It tastes like a little tiny, oh my goodness. You do get like a tiny dash of like an earthy vibe. Even in my mouth. This is an activator for grown activity. Oh my. Oh yeah. That is an activator for nasty things to go down. Even my mouth feels a little. Need some butternut squash in the oven. I've just been doing shit. Because I want to put it. It's so good. It tastes like sweet potatoes, but it's vegetables, so it's a lot better. So whenever I go grocery shopping in the beginning of the month, that's always like my first push to eat right, because I buy a lot of vegetables, a lot of fruits and stuff like that. So that's what's going on right now. So I'm going to do that butternut squash with some salads and stuff. Oh, I need a little boo because we can do some things with that. So girls, I got that okra water. Y'all got to try this. I put it in my little carafe. Y'all know everything is better in my carafe, but it does have like that earthy kind of flavor and vibe. It gets you in the mind of, you know, adult activities at the end of the day. I mean, the texture, it is what it is, but it's mixed with water, so you don't even taste it or feel it. But the medicinal benefits, the health benefits, the sexual benefits of this, you have to try it, honey. Hey y'all, it's the middle of the night, so I wanted to show y'all this okra water. It's so slimy. Like, y'all seen me chopping it up, and I put regular water from like this point on okra. This is not moving as fast as regular water would. What I did, I poured a lot of water and then I just diluted it even more because this shit is slimy. Like, this is slime time. Let me show you. Let me show you how slimy it is. Look at how long it's taking just to... Oh my gosh, it is so slimy. Like, I don't eat okra, but they say that it gives you like a lot of, and ignore my, it's nighttime, I'm gonna be out here. But they say it gives you a lot of medicinal benefits, health benefits, and it keep that kid. This is slimy, okay?
I take a dancehall boy, you know. I said the singer. When me say unity in the cocoa, from Akwa Ibom down to Sokoto, from Enugu down to Oshogbo, we got spread this news like a motto. Boko wae, we got stop all the killing, peace and love we are preaching.
That next man are your person.
When me say unity in the cocoa, from Akwa Ibom down to Sokoto, from Enugu down to Oshogbo, we got spread this news like a motto. Boko wae, we got stop all the killing, peace and love we are preaching.
That next man are your person.
Enough of killing and bombing our nation. All we need for progress, not distraction. When me say stand to your feet, no separation. When me say permanent peace in the nation. Bachi, bamo so barayi. Kusomo had the kaimo tunani. Abunda alabaya so monai. March on to the top zamoi. All we need is one love. All we need is one love. Type of love from the skies above. We go fill up me heart and down to me bone. All we need is one love. All we need is one love. Type of love from the skies above. We go fill up me soul and down to me soul. Let's say unity in the cocoa. From Akwa Ibom down to Sokoto, from Enugu down to Oshogbo, we got spread this news like a motto. Boko wae, we got stop all the killing, peace and love we are preaching.
That next man are your person.
When me say unity in the cocoa, from Akwa Ibom down to Sokoto, from Enugu down to Oshogbo, we got spread this news like a motto. Boko wae, we got stop all the killing, peace and love we are preaching.
That next man are your person.
We don't go grip for Jabajantis. We need love and we need peace.